Do you know that you can install the Quran Mushaf app on your smart TV? Looking for a comfortable and easier way to recite the Quran on your TV screen? Discover Quran Mushaf, the best Mushaf Quran app on smart TV platforms, inshallah, with a lot of useful features. Can be used offline, easy navigation, display flexibility, comfortable themes, boldness options, numeral options, line view, available in multiple languages and many more updates to come, inshallah. Quran Mushaf has been used by over 140 countries with over 13 million minutes of collective usage time. Quran Mushaf helps you to make it easier to recite the Quran on a larger screen. It's perfect for reciting the Quran in prayer and Quran learning needs. Download Quran Mushaf now on your smart TV. For further information, check out our official website.